Okay, so this is Ms. Gomez's advisory class, and we are going to talk about converting and then comparing and ordering. Okay, say hi, guys.
Hi.
Taylor, stop, okay? There's no need for that, okay? It's just converting, okay? It's okay. We'll get you there. All right. So, first we're just going to look at this fraction. Okay? What do y'all want to change it to first? Or what do we have to change it to first? We have to change it to a decimal. So if I say convert this fraction to a percent, what is the first thing you guys have to do? We have to change it to the decimal, right? Okay, so do what, Jacoby? You like Tybo? Okay, so Jacoby likes Tybo. Remember that means top in, bottom out. Now I see that my number inside the box is less than the number outside the box. So what does that mean I got to do? And the decimal on top? Okay. Y'all talk louder, all right? Okay, so can 20 go into 7?
3 times.
It can't go into 7. But, okay, so now say that again. How many times does it go into 70? 3. That's 60. Bring my 0 down.
5.
So now we're done. Okay, so what is my decimal? Okay. Is there another way to do this besides Tybo?
Yeah.
What can I do? Powers of 10? Can 20 go into 10?
Yes. No.
No, but can it go into 100?
Yes.
How many times?
5.
Okay, so how would I write 35 over 100 as a decimal? 0.35, right? Now what if I wanted to change that to a percent? Say it louder.
Move the decimal twice to the right.
To the right?
Yeah. To the left. To the right.
To the right? To the left?
Right.
To the right? 1, 2.
Yeah.
And then I end up with 35%. Okay? So now let's look at a percent. How do I write that as a decimal?
Move the percentage to the left 2 times.
To the left 2 times? 1, 2. Now how do I write that as a fraction?
35 over 100.
Why is it over 100? Because there is the tenths and there's the hundredths. Do I leave it like that? Or is there something else that I could do with this? I can, right? I can reduce it. I can simplify. Do they both mean the same thing?
Yes.
Okay, so how do I reduce?
You can divide by something that
Common multiple or common factor?
factor.
Common factor. What number can go into both of these that you know? 5? So I divide by 5 and I divide by 5. How many times does 5 go into 35?
7.
And then here?
50. No. 20.
20. Can that get any smaller? What are these? What is that called? It's equivalent fractions, right? So when you reduce or simplify, all you do is create equivalent fractions. Okay? Last one. How do I write that as a percent?
Add a 0. Move the decimal 1 place to the right.
2 places, 1, 2. But what do I do?
Add a 0.
So that becomes 80%. Now how do I write that as a fraction?
80 over 100.
I can do 80 over 100, or what else can I do?
Reduce tenths.
What place value is that 8 in?
Tenths.
It's in the tenths place, so I can do 8 over 10.
Yep.
What do I have to do?
Simplify.
I do have to simplify. What number goes into both of those?
5. 2, yeah.
2 goes into 8 how many times?
4. 5.
4/5. And what are these again? Equivalent fractions. Okay, say bye.
Bye.